Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Parrot Security OS 6. First open terminal, verify whether we have Jenkins as pre-installed software. See, Jenkins is not installed. Ctrl C. Now open any web browser. Then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Hit enter. Click on documentation or click on documentation. Then select installing Jenkins. Then select the Linux. See here, Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions: Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, and Red Hat. But go to terminal, more/etc os-release. See, its ID is like Debian, so we can install by using this Debian or Ubuntu commands. Okay, so the requirements are: we must have 256 MB of RAM, 1 GB of drive space. These are minimal, and recommended is 4 GB of RAM and 50 GB of the 50 GB plus of the drive space. Okay, and requirements are Java. Okay, click on this Java requirement. See, these are the requirements. See, supported Java versions for the respective Jenkins versions. Okay, so first verify whether we have Java installed or not. Java -- version. See, we have the Java 17. Open JDK 17. If you want to install Java JDK, I am going to keep a command in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. Okay, prerequisites match. Now go back, click on Debian or Ubuntu. Then see here, these are the commands that needs to be executed. So copy this command, copy it, paste it. See here, enter these 5 lines is a single command. Hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Ctrl L, sudo apt get update. It is done. Now install the Jenkins. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, this is the long-term LTS version, that is long-term support release, and this is the weekly release. So we are installing long-term release. Okay, even if you go back, if you click on download, see, we have the long-term support and weekly release. If you click on Ubuntu or Debian, we will come to the same page. Okay, see, we have successfully installed. Ctrl L. Now verify the status of Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. Hit enter. See, Jenkins service is running and it is enabled, and this is the initial password. Go to quit. Okay, we can get the initial password by going to var directory. Okay, so connect to Jenkins. New tab. Paste localhost. Give the port number 8080. Hit enter. See, we can get the initial administrator password from this link also. Copy it. Go to the terminal. Sudo more. Paste it. Hit enter. See, it is typo. See, we got the same password. It ends with E0, E6. Q to quit. We go up. See, this password and this password both are same. So copy it. Either is fine. Paste it and click on continue. Not now. Now see here, customize the Jenkins. We have two options: install suggested plugins and select the plugins to install. So I'm going to install the suggested plugins. So click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. This may take time. See, plugins installation completed. Now we have to create first admin user. It is up to you, or you can click on skip and continue as the admin. But I am going to create the first admin user. So I am giving username as Jenkins admin and set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then full name Jenkins administrator, admin @Jenkins. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Save and click on. If you want to give some other, you can give. Then click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. See here, this is a Jenkins dashboard, and see new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my use, build queue, and build execution status. And also see here, if you want to create a job, you can click on here. If you want to set up an agent, you have to click on here. Okay. Now click on manage Jenkins. See here we have different options: system, tools, plugins, nodes. If you want to add nodes, you have to click on here. If you want to add plugins, click on plugins. See, these are the available plugins and these are the installed plugins. If you click on here, see, these are the installed plugins. Okay. And if you want to see the available plugins and if you want to install, you can search here and you can install it. Okay. Again, if you want to go back, click on dashboard, manage plugins, manage Jenkins, and if you want to create user, click on users. If you want to create user, you have to click on create user. Okay. Then in the same way, you have to provide username, password, full name and email address. Okay. Go back to dashboard. Okay. So now go to terminal, Control L. Even if you give the same, see, the file cannot open the file because once we set up the user, this file is gone. Okay. Control A. Now stop the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Hit enter. Verify the status. Hit enter. See, Jenkins service is stopped. Now reload this page. See, unable to connect. Again start it. Q to quit. Control L. Now reload the page. Now we have to provide the username that we have created. Jenkins admin. Provide the password. Then click on sign in. See, we have successfully logged in. In the same way, if you want to restart, just replace the start with restart. Hit enter. And if you want to verify the version of the Jenkins, just give Jenkins version. See, but at the first we haven't received this output. Okay. So we have successfully installed Jenkins on Parrot Security OS 6.2. But the process is same for all Parrot Security OS versions. Okay. For more Jenkins or Parrot Security OS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.